In this lecture, we're going to look at a 3D drawing view tool. So with the 3D drawing view tool, we can create arbitrary views without going to the part file. So first, let's create some standard views here. So let's go to View Palette. Let's go with the front view, like this. Now let's go down, let's create a top view, and let's create a right view. And here, let's create isometric view, like this. And those are some standard views. So in the previous lecture, we showed how we can create some arbitrary custom views. In this lecture, we're going to show how we can do this by using 3D drawing view tool. So now let's just click on this view, front view. Let's go here and let's choose 3D drawing view. So if we go here, we can rotate this view, for example, like this. And if we're satisfied with this view, we can just click OK here. And now we got a question. That all dependent drawing views will be affected. Since this is the parent view, all here child views will be changed. So if we want to proceed, just click yes. And now we can see that all three child views were modified. But now, for example, if we go here, click on this child view, and we choose here 3D drawing view, and if we rotate this view like this, now you can see that here we can't proceed with this, because this is not a parent view, because this view is dependent on the parent view. So let's exit. Say only if we change this independent parent view, then all views that are connected to this view, child views, are changed accordingly. Or if we go here to our palette and we insert isometric view from here, like this, because this isometric view is not connected to this view, front view, but this here isometric view is connected to this view. And now if we go here, click on this one, let's go to 3D drawing view. If we rotate this, we can click here OK, because this view is independent view. It's not connected to those here views. So we can just click OK, and those views are not affected. But again, if we choose this view, this child view, and we choose 3D drawing view, if we rotate this, we can proceed with this, because this view is dependent view, it's child view. So you can only use 3D drawing view tool on the independent parent views.